So next question, number 5, exercise 2, phase 6, mathematics. Find the area bounded by x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0. So this x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0. Vertex is this, center is 1, 0, and radius is also 1 passing through origin. Interesting curve is y is equal to sine pi x by 2. So its period will be t upon a. A is pi by 2. So this will cancel. So this period is a t upon a. 2 pi is the period of that, pi by 2. So pi will cancel. So its period is 4. T is the 4 of this. That means this graph will be something like this: 0, 2, and 4. So in one cycle, 4, this will make one cycle. This will be the graph of this 0 to 4. It will make one cycle. So area bounded by this. So now let us draw these areas. 0, center is 1. So this 2. So this will be one circle here. This is 2. Now sine pi x by 2, sine graph will be there. So I will draw the sine graph also here. At x equal to 1, it will be 1. At x equal to 1, y is 1. And this is also radius is 1. So both will be 1. So this graph will be sine x graph. Something it will go this. By symmetricity, it will be like this. Afterward, it will go this side. So in the upper half, that means I have to find this area. Calculate these two areas. Confusion may be there, sir, how we will know whether it is going outside or inside? So no need to worry, we will take modulus in the end. So our answer will be, area will be 2 times 0 to 1. Suppose upper curve I take, this is 1/4. Now you can take, see this, 1/4. So instead of finding this total area, what I will do, I will find the total area of the circle minus I will subtract this. So first I will find this area will be 2 times. What is this area here? Total area of the circle, 1/4 area of the circle, 1/4 pi r square. R is how much? 1. So this is pi by 4. So this area is pi by 4 minus area enclosed by this part. So 0 to 1 sine pi xy. So area will be pi by 2 minus 2 times integration of this sine pi x by 2. Sine pi x by 2 integration will be minus cos, integration of sine is minus cos pi x by 2, and then we will divide by the coefficient 2 upon pi. So minus minus plus, this pi x by 2 is here. So this is pi by 2 minus plus 4y pi 0 to 1 cos pi by 2 minus cos 0. So this will be pi by 2 minus, this will be 0, cos 0 is 1, 4 upon pi. Now check which is larger. This is larger, so answer will be pi by 2 minus 4 upon pi. This is the answer. Otherwise, we will take it modulus. So pi by 2 minus 4 upon pi. So A option is correct. So thank you.